Hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Can you guys hear me? And can you guys can see my screen? Hi, welcome to the webinar today. So today's about trading strategy clinic. You can ask me anything about trading. If you guys don't have any question, I will bring you guys to the chat later, and we'll see if we have any trade set up for us today. Can you guys hear me so far? Can you guys see my screen? Okay, you guys are quiet. It's okay. Let's just wait for couple more minutes, all right, for everyone to tune in, and then I will start the webinar. All right. How you guys doing so far? Do you have any position open as of now? Okay, that's okay. You guys are quiet. Okay, guys. Let's just start our webinar. All right. So I don't want to keep you guys waiting. So today, welcome to the webinar. So today, just all about trading strategy clinic. But before I start the webinar, disclaimer first. All right. As usual, guys, this information in this webinar should not be considered investment advice or any investment recommendation. Okay, if you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. All right, as we already know, trading CFD or Forex is very high risk, high return because of the leverage. Okay, about myself, my name is Peggy. I'm a trade analyst at Ever Frozen Go. We are partner with IronFX, and this is some of certificate that have passed all the challenge. Okay, like I am a prop trader as well. Okay, um, let's just look. I'll bring you guys to the chart and see what's going on now. Okay, um, all right. Let we look at the XY for today. Okay. The lead time frame, what we can see here is price is make a higher high, okay, higher low is still on uptrend on the daily time frame, and then price is above the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, this is momentum indicator, just in case some of you guys didn't know. And then I go to the lower time frame. I thought that there's a bearish divergence over here. What you can see, a bearish divergence, which is price is make a higher high, but indicator, which is RSI, is make a lower high. So I thought that okay, price could reverse somewhere here, or maybe like break first support, or at least at first support and then bounce off. But it seems like they reverse as of now. So we will see whether price will continue to rise to first resistance, or falling to first support. Meaning now is, since the XY is rising, so EU euro dollar and GBP USD and gold, I think should be um falling. Okay, so what we can see over here for the EU, let's look at the higher time frame, which is what we can see over here. Price is still on downtrend. Okay, because I mean what you can see here, price is within bearish channel line. And if you look at market structures, okay, they make a lower low, okay, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So potentially I think price will drop to first support before they can like bounce off from here, either break first resistance or second resistance, and they continue to falling in the daily time frame. Okay, and what we can see in H4, okay, when we zoom in H4, we still can see that price is still make a lower high here, even though in the smaller time frame, what you can see here, okay, they still, so like this, like yesterday I thought like, okay, somewhere between here, which is if we pull out Fibo extension, it's about 127 extension, which is somewhere around here. That's why yesterday when price came down, okay, and his 127 extension, and then it's bounced off, but it bounced off until first resistance, because yesterday is this, actually this level is my first support. One is broke below, it become resistance. That's why what you can see here, one is break, okay, is retrace, or is like reject at one extension, and then they pull back, and then now they continue to falling. If you guys want to buy or long, I think you should wait at first support here, because we do have people confidence zone here, which is this zone. Okay, we have expansion, negative expansion, 61.8 expansion, and we do have 161 point 161 point 8 extension over here, which is what we can, if you were to zoom all the way left, it's somewhere this level. Okay, so if you want to buy, just wait, because tonight my time zone is tonight, okay, because I'm based in Singapore, so tonight we do have news, right? So if you want to buy, just wait to consider buy zone. Okay, buy zone in between 10664 to 106, and 6, between this level. Okay, you let me know if you want me to have a look any pair, if you want me to see. Okay, so this is my trade setup for EU dollar. Okay, I put the watermark so you guys know that. Okay, I'm at EU dollar in H4. It's my setup to buy here, because we do have multi swing low here, and then we do have the zone, which is expansion and extension. Okay, so basically if they're still within the bearish channel line, I think that's come here, then we'll bow out. If you buy from first support, your TP, just you need to put your TP just slightly before first resistance. So this is your TP level somewhere here. Okay, okay, just wait to buy here. I think now gold is rising. Gold is rising. You see from 1, 2. I did not. Okay, look at the GU. I think GU is falling. It just bounced just now, but now it's at my first support in H4. I think maybe it's could might break, or it could all the way down until here, but I don't know. Okay, let's just see if they really can break my first support here. We do, okay, first you need to look at market structures, right? What we can see here, daily time frame in GBP USD, okay, they used to have like, you were to look on your left, they're all the way changing already on uptrend to downtrend, because if you were to look at market structure, they all make a lower low, lower high, okay, and then it's sideways, then low, high, sorry, higher high, higher low, okay, and then you see higher high, higher low here until somewhere here, let's say in daily time frame, they, this is the low, okay, and this is period low, and this is the low. What we can see here in daily time frame is that price is already break or chain of the character. Okay, here. So when you see like that, okay, what we can do now, we can sell somewhere here. You put the pull Fibo from here to swing low here. I think that could be around between this level 23 and 30.2% FIB level. Okay, but now let's go to the lower time frame, because we know that in the daily time frame price already changed the momentum because they could not make a higher high, which is this high. Okay, now they make a lower low and lower high. Okay, they make a lower low, they make a lower low, lower high. Okay, the high get lower like that. I think could be here and then come down like that. Okay, this is in daily time frame, but let's look at H4. Okay, what we can see here, I think just now price is like reverse. I mean reject or bounce off from this level. Okay, what we can see here just now is bounce off somewhere here. After that, they already came down. I don't know why price is okay. This why rising. Gold supposed to be falling, but gold also like rising as well. What you can see here. Okay, that's why GU and EU is falling because of the XY. Now let's see GBP. Okay, let me see. Okay, still I still think that I change this and I put this. Okay, on my okay, that potential, that price is might come to like within this zone. Okay, like this zone. Okay, which is 14396. Like maybe within this zone, and then you might can see like some bounce off from like this zone, because this is my support level already, and then we do have extension 127.20 people extension. So this is my first support. If you were to buy here, okay, you just have to wait for the confirmation. It's like in lower time frame, that could be price action or any chart pattern in the lower time frame here. And then after that, you just buy, like for example, just now when the price come to the zone, which is this one in in M5, sorry. Okay, first you see that there is a bullish divergence over here. Bullish divergence, like, okay, I zoom in for you, like, bullish divergence and here. But because the divergence is happen in the lower time frame, that's why price is just, bounce off from this level, not that high, because it's a low in the low time frame, right? And then in daily time frame and in head flow, price is still on moment downtrend. Okay, so that's why it just bounce from here and then it's falling again. Okay, do you guys have any questions so far? uh what is this? Okay, let me see the question. Okay, I will. Okay, somebody asked on Nasdaq. All right, sure, I will do that for you. No worry. Okay, so somebody asked for Nasdaq. So, for example, you need to buy, you can consider to wait for at this level. Okay, somewhere here, but it seems it's falling. Oh, like so many. Okay, it's still falling down here. Okay, we need to see, because DXY is rising. That's why EU and GU is falling. Okay, let's say if they really like if it really break first support, I think the next level that could be second support be somewhere this level, which is we call overlap support level. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Unless there will be two scenario. For example, like price break here. Okay. You can wait either price somewhere and then like reverse and then you sell here. Because one is break first support, it become your resistance. So either you wait for price to break and wait for price to pull back and then you sell here. Okay, you will need to wait for the price to close, the head fall to close first. But what I can see in the okay, let's say if H1 is closed with the red color, I mean the red candle, I think you can consider to sell. I mean, okay, just wait for the confirmation first, okay? Because now price is already at support level and DXY is already at resistance here. So potential either the DXY will rise until first resistance and then they drop, and GU they could be either they drop until here they rise, or they could drop until here and then they rise. So now we need to keep an eye on it. Okay. Okay. Let me just look for the major pair first. Okay, then I will look for the Nasdaq for you. Okay, so now what I can see here, like price already as first resistance, and what we can see here, like yesterday, okay, Wednesday, which is yesterday, they try to break above resistance, but there is a long wick over here, meaning that this is a key resistance level. Okay, so we need to see if, let's say, if price really break above resistance, and then either you wait for the price here or not, like pull back. Let's say they break above, you wait for price to pull back and then you buy, because see, once it break above resistance, it becomes support, which is the level. Okay, so now we need to wait because it seems like they're going to break above already. We need to wait this level, wait for the upside confirmation. Okay, for this level. Okay, you just wait for upside confirmation. If they really break above, meaning the body close above this first resistance, you wait for price to pull back and then you buy. All right. Okay, UJ. Okay, for UJ first, I saw in daily time frame. Okay, in the daily time frame, I thought that there is a divergence here. Okay, valid divergence in daily time frame. If you were to ask me, I have a position now for the sale. I haven't closed, but it's like up and down, so I'm not sure. Okay, it's my like reverse and hit my break even, because I saw that there is like you see valid divergence over here. Okay, but then when we zoom into H4, okay, I still see the divergence over here. Like, is this divergent here? Let me see. Uh, just very little, like the divergence here, like that. Okay, and the RSI, we also can see like very divergent over here. But then I thought that okay, they might going to form double top like that. Okay, and then there's a okay, since there is a very divergent in daily time frame, that's why I still hold the position for the UJ. Okay, but then if I pull Fibo from this swing low to swing high, then I notice that, oh, they come and test, like, um the fifth level, which is 61.8% fifth level. Okay, after they test and then they got reject, there's a rejection. You zoom in for you to see here, right? So I still hold my sell position for this one, but it might come and, reverse and hit my break even. I will see whether either. Okay, for the trade setup for this, let's say if they really form double top, okay, this low have to break like this. Okay, you wait for high to pull back and then you sell, meaning that this is the low. Okay, this candle, they might break this low. Okay, right, let's say it break, I don't know where, then you pull the Fibo from this swing low to swing high. Okay, you wait for price to pull back to like this zone somewhere here, like somewhere here, and then you sell, which is fifth level, um 61 to 78.6%, and then you sell. Okay. You get what I mean? So basically, if you want to sell, you need to wait for the price to break all the way here in H4, and then this is your trade setup to sell somewhere here. But now, because price is still, but to me it's already going to form like double top or M pattern. It might could come down more, but I'm not sure. Anything can happen. Okay, what we can see in the lower time frame here. Okay, let's divergent a little bit. Okay, it's reversed just now. Okay, afternoon my time until here, and then now it's reversed back. All right. Okay, you just wait for H4 to form first. Need to all the way. This is set. Let's trace it up. Okay, break. Need to break this low. Maybe come to either your first support here. You wait for price to pull, and then you sell. Okay, but this is the intermediate support, meaning that price have to break this support level as well, and then price have to break this low, the previous low, okay, to come down. You wait for price to pull back, and then you sell. Okay. Okay. Let me look for the Nasdaq for one of you guys. Okay. Nasdaq. I don't trade a Nasdaq, but I can look for you. Okay, what we can see. Okay, you miss, if you know how to look at market structure, you might miss the entry. Okay, first you look at daily time frame. You need to always look at market structure. Well, you know that price make a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and they still to make a, they cannot make a higher high, they make a lower high, lower low. Okay, since until here I don't get this low because it's not really significant swing low. I pick this low, so I know that, okay, price change momentum in uptrend to downtrend. Since until here, okay, I will use my Fibo. Okay, I will get the level here. Okay, pull Fibo swing high to swing low. What you can see here, this is my sell zone here. which is 78, between 78.6 and 61.8, which is QM. If you know how to trade QM, you know QM, right? This is um uh it's a left shoulder, okay, and not oh, uh, sorry, and this is a head, okay. And when it break this, you wait for price to come up, and then you will trade at the this is your right shoulder, okay. That's why you sell in here in daily time frame. All right, you see, this is daily time frame, right? Then we know that already price is already come like that. Okay, you might miss entry. Now we go for H4. Okay, what we can see here in H4, if you were to draw resistance, this your like resistance level, but this is the price action, right? This level, you might get a sale from here. If you were to draw Fibo, it has 78% here. Okay, this is your resistance. Okay. Um, let's see if we can see the potential buy setup. Okay. If you want to buy, this could your the first support here. This second support. Okay. So 38 to 51. Okay. So 60, 61 and 100% we do have. Okay, so this is your first buy entry. Like this your buy entry, your first support, meaning okay, this what you can see here, when price come to this zone, there is a rejection, right? Let's say if you buy from like from you buy from here, your TP should be somewhere here because your TP should be here, okay? This is your first resistance. This is your second resistance here. Because if you buy, you need to close here because one from here, they're gonna be sale from that level. Okay, resistance because we are follow the higher time frame, which is daily time frame, because the daily time frame, you know that price is already make a lower low, and they're going to like form up to make a lower high and lower low here. So if you were to buy again the higher time frame, you buy, you wait, we just pay for the bounce, right? Bounce off from first support, and then your TP is here, and then after that you wait for price. If they like any rejection or confirmation here, and then you sell at first resistance. Okay. Any pair you want me? You also do for if I want to sell. You okay? You want to sell or let me see. I think best you wait for here to sell better because price is reject because the potential that if you buy now, okay, if you buy now, there is no guarantee that price will, from here and then bounce because higher time frame is selling potential. Either they might break all the way here and then could come here and then like that. That might be okay because now I think they already finished the harmonic pattern here. This very nice harmonic pattern, and then for you to sell here. Okay, it's best. Okay, there is two options to trade setup. For example, let's say if they bounce from here and then you go up and then you sell down, or they break this, you wait for price to retrace here and then you sell. Okay, either you sell at this level, price need to break because it seems like they may not, stop at first support. It might break below and then you sell here, or you come here and then you wait and then you sell. Okay, like there is two scenario for you, like here. All right. Yeah. Okay. Let's look at gold. Shall we look at gold? Anybody trade gold? Okay. Gold since last week, I know that price is on downtrend. Okay. Every time we need to look for market structures. I will show you guys, for example, it's very easy if you look at the market structures, right? Like from here, price on downtrend, like downtrend. And after that, they could not make the low. They make a triple low or like equal low here, you see? Meaning, that this is something that price is change momentum from downtrend to uptrend because they do create the triple top over here. Okay. Like you see? Uh, ah, sorry guys. Okay. Okay, like what you can see here. Okay, they make a triple top. This is a chart pattern, right? You know that like that. And then what what you can know is that okay, just a recap, make a lower low, lower high. And then price is break, easy price is break this high. Okay, there is a chain of character already. Okay, you mark like that. One price make like that. Okay, you wait for the price to pull. Sometimes if we see like that, it's not a QM anymore because these are triple top already. If the QM supposed to be your left shoulder, your head, okay, you wait for price to pull to create the right shoulder and then you buy. You get what I mean? Like something like just now, like this, your left, okay. And then if there is only one head, right? And then we will put okay, that is gonna be like the QM. We wait for price for the QM like this head, right? But since there is not the head, there is triple bottom, sorry, triple bottom, and then this is not a QM, so that's why not QM. We cannot wait somewhere here to buy. Okay, so delete first. Okay, so what we can do, since price is break like that, and you need to use the Fibonacci to pull. What we can see here, price is retrace or come down between this zone to 38%. That's why you will buy from this one, because you were to pull, you draw this is your resistance, right? This is your resistance. Now it break, become your support level. Okay, this for daily time frame. That's why you can see that then price is like all the way up. Then after that, it changes from downtrend to uptrend. And after that, you will know that, oh, they're changing momentum again for, you know, they make a higher high like that. Okay, then now they make a lower, low and low high. For gold, I think it's still gone like downtrend. Okay, for gold, for the bigger pictures. And then we look for H4. Okay, for H4, even though like from here, we know that, okay, in H4, they make a high, high, low, and then they make a lower high, lower, low here, right? You can know that. And then they could not make a lower, low, or make a higher high like that. But now they're changing momentum because they are follow the daily time frame, right? What we can see here, they are not going to like rise until like that. Okay, unless there is a new, we will see again. But what we can see now, we use a Fibonacci. Okay, they stop at, okay, let me see. Okay, actually this is my support level. Okay, and then price is only come to like this zone, like the body and the wick somewhere here, and then it bounce out, which is between 50 and 61, like that. Okay, if you were to ask me where is my second support, which is here, and I think it's somewhere we do have 78.6% here. Okay, so let's say we do have a news, it's a major news later. Okay, either they break here, you wait to buy, and then your TP, and then you sell. Follow the higher time frame. Okay, so there is a two zone for you to buy. First is here, which is second buy zone. You consider, okay, 192, 1895. Second buy zone here. The first zone is here. I think between 1910 to, actually my zone is my first buy zone is 1915 to 1910. Is it too small for you guys? Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is my buy zone here. Okay. So like it's sideways. What we can know that it's sideways on M15. You see, I sideways like M5. You cannot see anything, but in M15, yeah, it's sideways here. So I think they are waiting for the news. Okay, the news here. They still like that, ranging. Where to buy? If you buy, you buy here. Let's say, what about if you want to sell your sell zone? This is your first resistance. Actually, I was waiting to like sell somewhere here, but they only come until 1928, and then it flew back. I mean, it reversed back. So actually, this is my first resistance. Okay, my second. My second should be here. Okay, so either tonight, if the new is green, for example, green meaning that they are a very strong dollar index, and then gold should be falling. Should, if tonight, let's say gold is falling, you don't buy at your first support here, because usually if the major news, you should wait to buy at the second support. Okay, and then your TP should be first support here, because since it break, it become resistance, and then you buy here, and then your TP, and then you sell, because the major news usually 85% they will break your first support, and then you wait to buy at second support, better for the new tonight. All right, I think now it's already ranging, like no no volume for now, because they are waiting for the new tonight. Okay, do you guys have any question, guys? You can talk to me, you can ask me anything. Okay, don't worry, I will answer you guys, because I saw like you guys never talk to me at all. Only one guy asked me the question. You can just ask me. Don't worry. Okay. Any pair you want me to have a look for you? Just now, okay. Just now what pair? Okay, this one. Um. Okay. What is this? UJ, right? Okay. Our view is that. Okay. Now they still um falling. Later they fall into here. Okay, you wait for price to pull here, and then you sell somewhere around this level. Okay, now I think potential it will, I hope not, I I think it might falling down more. Okay, like more, just more, because I still have the sale position here. It keep falling down more. Okay, I think it takes why it's maybe got rejection somewhere here, because okay, let me look at the DXY. I think DXY is testing this somewhere like somewhere here. Actually, this is the body, right? And then what we can see here, this is a very big zone. Like see here, and we to draw the stretch or the back. What we can see here, you see, it's come in the zone. Now it's been in the zone now, which is the wick and the body just now. So let's say if they can break this, and then let's say if they break, they could stop somewhere here in second resistance. Okay, like that. Let's see. Let's say if they really can um retrace from here. Okay. Um Anybody trade GJ? If falling, guys. My view is that they're going to like bear it in falling. It's already falling, and it's very nice. You see. So now it break first support already. Okay. What we can see here, this is, I will put here. This is my first support, which is if you look at the daily time frame here. Okay, actually in daily time frame, this is my first support in daily time frame. Okay, and what you can see, if this one is break below, I think the next one they should stop somewhere here. Okay, let's say if they really break this first support in daily time frame, okay, because price is already all the way all-time high. And what we know that in daily time frame, right, if they like take a long time, there is a bearish divergence over here in the in daily time frame, right, like here, but it take very long time, like they come here, I mean they sell from here, and then after that they reverse, and then they keep like reversing, but now they kind of like make a lower high from the H4. Okay, let me go back to H4 and have a look. Okay, here what we can see here that, okay, this is, then if they break this is your second support. Okay, if you want to buy, let's say if you want to buy, I think to me I will buy at sell. So I want to see it's really break this support. Let me try the Fibonacci. Okay, this is, I put intermediate, meaning that there is potential price will break below my intermediate support. This is my first support. I do have extension. Okay, and the second support I think should be somewhere here. Okay, this is my second support. Okay, so you watch out this level. They need to like break here. Let's see if you want to buy, but your risk and reward is may not that high, because this one will be resistant, and then from that we will all the way like that. So like follow, I mean they're changing the momentum because they make a lower low. Okay, lower low and the high is still, but let's try to like push the price down, and then we don't use this one. Okay, this is my view. Okay, if the safe is your way to buy if the price break below the first support, either they all the way here and then you buy like that, you buy, you close TP and then you sell, or there will be potential that price will break or the first support, you wait for price to pull back, it become your resistance and then you sell. If they break here, it's two scenario. Okay, any question guys? Okay, I will launch the poll. Okay, you just please tell me less this webinar is whether you like this webinar or not. You can just give me 5 star is the best one, 4 star, 3 star, 1 star, it's up to you guys. Okay, I appreciate that. Okay, this a view. Okay, you guys have any question? No. Okay, it's okay. Okay, let's just look for the last pair. Okay, just now I cover, let's say the UCAT. Okay, for the UCAT I thought, okay, this my time zone. Okay, this afternoon my side I thought, okay, price reject at extension here, and then okay, I thought like, okay, price will like all the way down, I mean from here, And then yeah, what we can see here, they make a rejection come up until here, which is they respect this resistance. Okay, this resistance break above is become support. What you can see here, right? So this is like the first support here. Oh, okay, and then this is my second support. That's why this one day, like the pull back here, and then they reverse back. So let's say if they can break this support level, yeah. Okay, so now UK is still like sideways, so meaning they're still like sideways in first and second support. So I don't have any trade set up for this, but if they break below, then you wait for price to pull and then you sell. Okay, you sell. You need to wait for price to break this support first, then it become resistant and then you sell like that. Okay, but now it just bounce off from this support level. Okay. Okay, kindly recommend a beginner tutorial for trading Forex and index. Also, how quickly do you think one can understand trading Forex? I think I think my recommendation is that you need to know very basic, like how to draw support and resistance correctly, and then how to draw trend line correctly first. Okay, that's very basic. After that, you can learn how to use Fibonacci. Like I myself, I trade support and resistance, and then combine with Fibonacci. Okay. After that, you you study all the like you study all the technique that you interested, and then you pick one which is best or suit for yourself, because there is so many strategy. It could be scalping, or you are day trading, or you swing trader. You need to ask yourself which trader you are first, and then after that you study. Then you need to stay focused, because if you ask me like how long to understand Forex, it could be two, it could be 6 months, 3 months. If you really stay focused, meaning that you really stay focused, and then you study, okay, like every day you keep practicing within 3 to 6 months, I think your trading will get improved. Okay, and then after that you need to learn to know all along the way. I myself, I think it takes about not many year. I know the forex like 4 years ago, but I really trade or like study and stay focused within these 2 years. Okay, meaning that I only study, I only watch all the forex strategy or the technique, and then I pick a few, and then I adapt on my own styles. Yeah. So I know that there is many like strategy out there in the forex market. You just go and study one or two first, and you master it. Let's say if you study and you think that okay, this is not your style, it's not someone that you think you're interested, and then you can drop the topic. You don't need to like keep study to get understand, because there is no perfect or 100% guarantee that the technique will work. Okay, it's always, there is always, I mean, um what I try to say is like there is no perfect strategy in this forex market. Okay, you just need to pick one, find the one that suit for your trading style, and then you just master it. That's all. But I myself, I don't scalping anymore, so I'm more to like day trading. Okay, I don't really hold my position for the next day, unless if I get like very good price, like I sell on top or I buy below, and then I might hold my trade like to the next day. But usually I will close the trade like end of the day, not really follow, I mean bring to the next day. Yeah. But like we know, right? It's not easy, but once you know how to trade, it is not that difficult for you to learn. By the way, okay. Any question? I just asked you, do you know how to draw support and resistance correctly? This is a very basic, but like I say, based on my experience, if you draw support and resistance correctly, let's say like H4 time frame, you just can only trade with support and resistance. You don't need to you study others like strategy like SMC, or you study Fibonacci, elliott wave, harmonic. Yeah, first need to know how to draw first, then you go and study Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci is really, like, if you know how to draw Fibonacci correctly, you will be amazed that once you draw your support and resistance correctly, like I draw, and then you pull out Fibonacci, you will know that it's lined up very nicely, meaning that this is something that the price will stop or revert from this level. Okay, you see what I draw? This is a called Fibonacci extension. Okay, all right, guys. Any questions so far before I end the webinar for today? Okay, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys. If you don't have any question, thanks for joining me. I hope to see you guys again in the next webinars. Okay, happy trading. All right, stay safe. Bye for now, guys. Take care.